Hi, I'm Norbert Sparrow, editor of European Medical Device Technology, and I'd like to welcome you to Compomed Medica Connection. I think it's safe to say that Medica, the world's largest medical technology trade show, and the co-located supplier showcase Compomed need no introduction. But this brand new site does, and I would like to take just a moment of your time to point out some of its features. First and foremost, the EMDT editorial team will be reporting and blogging daily about product launches, exhibitor news, and other noteworthy events leading up to the show. We're also uploading videos and linking to relevant medical design and manufacturing articles from our vast library of content. Yvonne Klupping's German language posts on medical manufacturing and associated matters are featured in Aktuelles aus der Medtech-Branche. And on the bottom right of the screen, you will find a Twitter feed that is pulling in tweets related to Medica and Compomed. Keep an eye on that space, because starting on Monday, November 7th, we will be hosting a daily live chat session there. We invite you to weigh in on such topics as sustainability, design trends, developments in biomaterials, the future of e-health, and the overall state of the industry. Speaking of the medical device industry, it is worth noting that it is valued globally at 300 billion euros and growing, and that's something you don't hear much these days. Medica is the premier showcase for this industry, and we hope you will make Compomed Medica Connection a daily habit as you get ready to make your annual pilgrimage to Messe Dusseldorf. And don't tune out once you're at the show. The EMDT editorial team and our director of content, Rich Nass, will be tweeting and reporting from the show floor. Don't forget, you can engage with us also on emdt.co.uk, emdt.de, and medtechinsider.com and medtechinsider.de. And I look forward to seeing you at the show.